Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be a little bit different than what I typically post. Normally I post videos of my projects and things that I'm doing around the house and whatnot, but let's be honest, it takes weeks to get projects done just to find the time and all of that, so I'm not posting weekly. And so I thought about posting maybe more behind the scenes vlogs. So let me know if you like these types of videos and I'll post more if you like them, but more of a get to know me and behind the scenes type videos. In this video, I'm going to be wrapping up the porch swing that I built for around the fire pit, and you've already seen that video because it's posted on my channel, but this is more behind the scenes of getting that done. And then also, I'm going to attempt to cut my hair. It's been a really long time. I need to cut my ends, but let's be honest, every time I go to see a stylist, they just don't quite do what I want. And I'm just frustrated, and I'm not really that outspoken to say, can you change this or that, or I don't really like it, whatever. So I'm going to attempt to do it myself. And I need to go homecoming dress shopping for my daughter. She is a freshman in high school and super excited to attend her first dance, so we're going to go dress shopping. I'm kind of nervous. I really don't want it to be too revealing. Okay, so when we built this bathroom, we added a fan afterwards. So when you turn the light on, the fan comes on. So there's no way to wire it separately. It's just one switch, which is really frustrating. I'm gonna cut my hair in the bathroom. So anyway, let me tell you what I'm gonna do first, and then I'll go in there and show you. But anyway, I really like this butterfly cut that I found on Pinterest, so that's what I'm gonna give it a try. But I went to YouTube to find a DIY type video, and it looks super easy. I mean, this guy cut this model's hair in like 3 minutes. Of course, he's a pro. And then he also has these thinning shears, and immediately I went to Amazon and I was like, gotta get these thinning shears to get it to work. And they were only $10, but then I started reading in the comments that you can just cut it and then point cut. So I think that's what I'm gonna try to do, because I don't wanna thin out my hair too much, just a little bit on the ends. So I'm gonna give this a try. Hopefully it turns out okay. Okay, this is seriously something that I do every day when I get ready. I have started to see that my hair is sparkling, so I take out my little sparkles and try to minimize it. Yeah, you guys, look at what I'm dealing with, how long my hair is. Oh, I hope I can do this. It is way too long. Okay, so for this first cut, I noticed that he cuts it pretty close to the chin. I'm really scared, so I'm gonna cut maybe a little bit longer and then point cut it. That may be good. Did it. Okay, so I went ahead and point cutted all of that. Now I'm using my top one here. Okay, first I want to show you what it looks like straight. You can kind of see the movement. You can see the layers, and I think it looks really good straight. I'm normally a straight hair type person rather than curly, but I will curl it on occasion. But I think with the slight wave, it'll probably be okay. Okay, so here it is, curled, a little bit of movement. I like it both ways. little bit of wave, straight, whatever. But what I'm really dying to know is what my teenage daughter thinks. Anybody else, mom of teens, like really want their daughter's opinion and approval? I cut all of my family's hair, like my husband and my son, and I trim my daughter's hair, but she wants a wolf cut, and she's like, Mom, I'm not sure, I don't know that you can do it, let's go to a salon. And I'm like, I don't know, I think I could probably do it. I think I could do it on somebody else's hair, but on my own I was a little bit more challenged. But I am very pleased with how well this turned out, and like, I don't know, just the movement of it and the layers, it just looks so, I don't know, good. I like it. So let's see what she thinks. Okay, here she comes. We're going dress shopping. See if she notices.
So I was waiting for the slaw.
Hi.
I like it.
You notice?
Oh, that's pretty.
You like it?
It's curled too.
Yeah.
Wait, is there bangs? There's 2 bangs.
Yeah, it's like a butterfly cut. It's not a wolf cut, but it's a butterfly cut. It's similar.
That.
Yeah, I'll show you a picture. But do you see like all the layers?
I like it.
I did it all by myself. Are you impressed?
Mm-hmm. You should do my hair now.
Okay, so our first stop, I thought maybe we would go to Starbucks. They have their 2 for $10. Yeah, I have a mobile order for Hannah. Looks like we're finishing that up, so I'm gonna pull forward. Thank you.
Hannah?
Yes, thank you.
There you go. Here's your thumb. I like that.
Thank you. Good grief, Vera. That is huge. Okay, so we are to the point where I should be wrapping up the swing. We're gonna hang that hopefully either tonight or tomorrow. But I have the mattress, the crib mattress, but I don't have any pillows for the swing. And I have been looking everywhere for pillows, and I've been unsuccessful. So Kirkland's is actually having a 50% off sale of their pillows, all pillows, not just fall ones. So I want to pop in there to see if I can find something. I'm really hopeful. I know that these are not going to be outdoor pillows likely, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with, hey, if we're having a fire, you know, whatever, I'll bring the pillows out, the blankets, whatever, and then when we're done, we'll bring it inside, wash it, whatever, you know. They're not going to be sitting outside like day after day after day. So I'm okay getting pillows that are not technically outdoor pillows. So hopefully we will have some luck.
Can you please get this for me?
I know your game. You're calling me mommy for a reason.
Please, it's only $10.
Look at that
And
face.
it's green. Please.
Are we still doing this?
Mm-hmm. Please. You need to find how to put yes in your vocabulary. Please.
No. Okay, that was super painful. Going to Windsor
Really?
on a Saturday night.
It was fun.
There were so many people and such long lines to the fitting room with six dresses to try on. And then checking out. But we did find something. Yay! Okay, it's the next day and I am going to be finishing this swing for the fire pit. But before I start on that, I want to show you guys, do you remember my white pampas grass that I found for free on Facebook Marketplace? Well, it's not doing that great. So I was thinking, well, we're probably gonna have to replace that grass maybe in the spring of next year. And I have this grass growing by my air conditioner that looks absolutely fantastic. And I was thinking this would be nice for around the fire pit for privacy if my white pampas grass doesn't come back. And I found like a little, I don't know, like I think you call it like volunteers, where the grass just starts growing around the grass. I'm like, oh yay. So I pulled it and I was gonna plant it next to the fire pit, and I'm glad I didn't because I planted it in a pot first. And check it out. It's a weed. Oh my gosh. It is totally a weed. I am so glad I planted it in this pot first. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna pull up my hair. I'm gonna finish this video. You guys will have already seen it, but you haven't seen me cut my hair yet, so I gotta pull that back so you don't know yet. But anyway, stay tuned and thank you for watching.